Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. Today we've got another Bibbidi Bobbidi box. Alright, hey, we haven't shown this in a while, but I wanted to show you that Bibbidi Bobbidi really takes care with their packaging.
I mean,
I had a little whisper in my ear there.
They choose cute packaging.
Yeah, they choose.
So it's not like they draw that on all the boxes. Like, they make them.
It's really cool, though.
It is.
I mean, look at all the little, characters. Detail. You got Groot, you got a Stormtrooper, you got the Death Star. Oh wait,
Castle.
Yeah, all my favorite things.
Donuts, snacks, Disney snacks. Those are important.
Also, I just wanted to show you the camera. I know I've had it for a while now, but the Sony ZV-1 is an amazing camera. Oh, thought we had an animal at our feet.
No, it's me kicking around plastic.
I've had this camera for, I don't know, a month or month and a half now, and I love it. So if you need a camera, Sony ZV-1 I think is the way to go. All right, let's see.
So it's 100 degrees outside.
Something like that.
And I'm wearing a sweatshirt.
Oh.
But it's because I just got this sweatshirt, and it's super cute, and it's got little Mickey heads on it from the Disney outlet. It was only like $12.
And I keep it like 65 degrees in the house.
Yeah.
Or at least that's what they think. 72. 72 is the optimal temperature all year round.
Because I'm the one that pays the electric bill. Okay.
I like my house 72. Comment below what your temperature is.
I would like to know too. Like, what do you keep your houses at? And we're in South Texas, so I mean, we have to take that into consideration. So, where do you live? Like, what part of the country? And what temperature do you keep the inside of your home at?
Yeah, 72 all year. That's like heater. Like, when you get home from work and it's been hot in the house, you turn the air conditioner on it, and right before you go to bed, turn the heater on.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird here in South Central Texas. Anyway.
All right.
Let's open the box.
You know what? I don't know what box this is. So.
I don't know either. Bibbidi Bobbidi. We'll find out.
It's either wishes or dreams.
Oh, stuff flying out. There we go.
It's not Wizard's Vault, because that would say it on there.
Right.
So here's our spoiler alert with our Duffy Bear picture. And then this is new.
We got a new card.
We did get a new card.
And a new person.
There's no such thing as talent, only inspiration and ambition. Scrooge McDuck. That's cute. I like that. And this was curated by Josh. Who's Josh?
Thank you, Josh. You must be new to Bibbidi Bobbidi. Josh, thumbs up. Let's give a thumbs up for Josh.
Josh is, but
I like that.
Josh.
I want to read that quote one more time.
All right, go ahead.
There's no such thing as talent, only inspiration and ambition. Now, I don't know that I actually 100% agree with Scrooge. I think that there is definitely talent, but talent will fade to ambition and inspiration.
What, are we having a philosophy lesson now?
I'm a coach, and so I watch kids who work hard, and I watch kids who are talented. And many times, the kids that work hard will outperform later on.
10,000 hours.
Right.
The outliers. Like, if you work at something for 10,000 hours, you become an expert.
I'm
Whether
an
that's
expert
singing,
at Netflix. I'm an expert at Disney
boxes.
Plus. I'm becoming an expert at opening boxes.
Let's open it.
Yeah, let's get this thing open.
Bibbidi Bobbidi. So this
Always rushing me. I'm trying to get to my 10,000 hours.
This is purple paper too. I'm pretty sure we already unboxed our fantasy box, which was the $59 box.
Yeah, you probably saw the fantasy box a couple of weeks ago. Oh! I don't know what this is.
What is this?
I don't know. You know what? I'm going to save that. I'm going to try to get some of this confetti out real quick and see if there's anything else in here that we want to show. Oh, look at that. Here, take that.
It's an autocollant.
Check it out. That is a word.
An autocollant. This is a Mickey sticker. Like a little rainbow.
Oh,
Holographic.
Holographic.
Mm-hmm.
That's not a major word, but
That's a word.
It's a word.
It's not a major word.
People use holographic.
You mean, are you saying that they don't use autocollants?
Right.
Okay.
I'm going to go to the store. Hey, do you have any autocollants? And they're going to be, no, you need to go over to O'Reilly's.
Okay, what is that?
Maybe AutoZone.
What's in the box?
Oh, hey, here we go. All right. Now, real quick before we get to this, because there's not a lot in this box. It's a bigger box, but we choose
quality over quantity.
We definitely choose quality over quantity. So it looks like there's 3 items. We'll get into this. But this is Lillian and Company. And
so
there's
we've gotten
a box
Lillian
and a
and Company
bag.
before.
We have gotten Lillian and Company before. I'll let you open it.
Oh, thank you.
I love you 3000. Hey, I love y'all 3000 too. Give us a like.
Oh,
make sure you
get it?
subscribe.
You know what that's from?
I know.
Iron Man.
Oh.
I love you 3000.
Oh. Oh.
And my wrist. Well,
Ooh.
I get scared. I'm scared. I think it will fit, but I get scared.
Let's see.
It's gonna get stuck.
Oh, Charity sent us a note. When I started Lillian and Company, my #1 goal was to find a simple way to marry my love of whimsy and magic with inspiration. I believe life is too short not to live the life of our dreams. I hope these products will give you the inspiration you need to live the life you desire.
All right.
Nice little note. Probably in every box.
I just want to say, well, I'll let you show what the other thing is because I'm a little confused, but maybe I did something in the preferences that I don't remember doing. So we'll see.
Or maybe I hijacked the preferences.
You might have.
Maybe. If I even knew where to go, I might have done
what's in the box?
Check it out. You love coffee mugs. Oh, I gotta open this thing. Let's just see.
It's a Thanos mug.
I love it. I just might take this to school.
That's funny. So, wow.
This is amazing.
That's a big mug.
Check it out.
That's pretty fun.
And it's not cracked or chipped or anything because it was packaged correctly.
Yeah, they do a good job of packaging.
Bibbidi Bobbidi, thumbs up.
Hand wash only.
Okay.
Don't be putting that in the dishwasher.
So which side do you drink out of? The face side or the back of the head side?
Probably the back of the head.
I'm thinking the back of the head.
Yeah. Wow. That's pretty cool.
Love it.
Or it could be a pencil holder.
I don't know. All I know is this is mine. She gets a lot of stuff in these boxes.
That's crazy.
And I have now just taken this for myself.
I was going to say they give you the option to say if you're okay with having like Marvel or Star Wars or those other kind of items in your box. And I thought I had checked no, but I probably checked yes because I went in and messed with the preferences a few weeks ago. So I might have checked that box, which is totally fine because we love Marvel stuff too. I'm a little surprised that there's only one Disney, like, you know, what do you call this? Like this original, authentic Disney.
Yeah.
In
well,
there.
it doesn't even say Disney. I don't know.
Because the bracelet was Marvel,
yeah.
And the mug is Marvel. But you know, I mean, we like it. We like it. Thanks,
I love it. Josh, you are
is your
awesome.
man.
Josh, you are a keeper, baby.
Okay, this is our wishes box.
Okay.
And wishes, I have it written down because I forget. Wishes is our $49 box.
$49 wishes box.
Wait a minute.
Oh.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Okay, so the Lillian and Company I Love You 3000, which is super cute. $32.
Okay.
The decal holographic autocollant is
It doesn't say autocollant. She made that up. She's just like her mom.
It's $3.50, and the mug is $21.99. So that was total retail of $57.49, and it was a
$49
box. So that's about
you
normal.
know, I just had this thought come into my mind. She's always talking about stories. So every like holiday, birthday, whatever that we have to give cards, we give her mom a card. And I'll tell you, for her mom, don't spend a lot on a card. like 50 cent,
I
99
mean, it could
cent.
be blank.
It could be blank because when she opens it up, she's gonna make up her own Hallmark card. I mean, she just like starts rambling off the greatest poetry.
Yeah, it could totally be a blank card. She'll just make it up anyway. So yeah.
Oh
That's
my
funny.
goodness.
All right.
Well,
I mean, good box.
Josh, again, I can't say it enough. I love this box. This Thanos mug. I mean, this is like the best thing ever. I love it. Oh my gosh. Give us a thumbs up if you like the Thanos mug. So, all right. Saturdays, 1 o'clock Central Standard Time. That's 11 o'clock Pacific Time and 2 o'clock Eastern Time. We're on Disney Connections on YouTube live, where we want to interact with you. We want to answer questions. We just want to chat and have a connection. Hence the name Disney Connections. Also, over on Facebook, our Disney Connections group. Go check us out. Click the link. We'll let you in. All you got to do is answer a couple questions. It's nothing personal, and we don't get into your bank account or anything. Just tell us who your favorite characters are and what your experiences are with Disney. NotJustCruising.com in the description if you want to book your next Disney vacation. Or any other vacation. She's like a river cruise expert now.
Cannot wait to get on the river.
Yeah. So whatever your vacation needs are, we will handle those at NotJustCruising.com. I think we're done.
Okay.
Let's wrap it up. Thank you so much for being here on Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.